In this video, I'll show you how to use loop components in Microsoft Teams. Loop components are live, editable pieces of content that people can work on together right inside Teams. Microsoft says they can be things like a paragraph, table, checklist, task list, or other component types. And the main benefit is that everyone can edit the content inline and see updates instantly without starting long back and forth chat threads. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat or channel where you want to collaborate. Click in the Compose box and make sure the message box is empty before you insert the component. Microsoft's support page says you can then select the Loop Components button next to the Compose box, choose the type of component you want to add, and start entering your content directly inside it. For example, if you want to brainstorm ideas, you can choose a bulleted list. If you want to track simple tasks, you can choose a checklist or task list. If you need to collect information from several people, a table works really well. Once you've added the content, click Send in a chat or post in a channel. After that, everyone in that conversation who has access can edit the loop component directly in the message. Microsoft says the changes appear in real time for everyone. Now let's look at how editing works. To update the component, just click inside it and start typing. Microsoft says you can type a forward slash while editing to insert things like an at mention, a date, or even another component. And if you want to leave a comment instead of directly editing the content, you can type double forward slashes to add that comment with your name attached. Another helpful feature is sharing the same loop component somewhere else. Microsoft says you can open the component, select copy link in the upper right corner, then paste it into another chat or channel. The important part is that it stays synced. So no matter where people edit it, everyone is still working on the same live component with the latest version of the content. You can also make collaboration easier by using at mentions inside the component. Microsoft says when you mention someone in a loop component, they get a notification that brings them right to it, which is useful when you want a specific person to fill in a section or review an item. And if the component is important, you can pin the message in Teams so it stays easy to find later. So the basic steps are simple. Open a chat or channel, click Loop Components, choose the type you want, add your content, send it, and then collaborate live with your team. That's how to use Loop Components in Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.